Hello everyone, welcome to the JV Beauty family. If this is your first time of seeing me, you are highly welcome. Please don't hesitate to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be part of this wonderful family. And for those of you, my UJV family, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So I am going to unbox my iPad Air 5. Yes, I got it and I was like, let me share it with my family. And as you can see, it is a wonderful iPad, very beautiful and so classy, so I'm going to unbox it with you all. And I took the blue package. They have other ones like the pink, the orange color, the red, but I decided to take the blue. Yes, I am a lover of blue, so I am going to unbox it with you all. I also got the biro, the pen that you can use to write on it, because I don't want to be using my hand to tap on this air part. So yes guys, just keep up and see how it looks. Yeah.